Are you looking to automate your marketing and free up time while still engaging with your customers effectively? In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your marketing with Mailchimp, one of the most powerful tools out there. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special bonus to help you get started with Mailchimp for free. First off, Mailchimp isn't just for email campaigns anymore. It's a robust all in one marketing platform that lets you automate emails, social media posts, and even ads, making it ideal for anyone looking to scale without adding extra work. The best part? You can get started with a free plan, and I've got an exclusive offer that unlocks more features for you, so make sure to check the first link in the description below. Next thing you'll want to dive into is automating email workflows. With Mailchimp, you can set up automation that sends personalized emails at just the right time. Whether it's a welcome email when someone signs up or an abandoned cart reminder for your online store, Mailchimp's automated email series makes it seamless to stay in touch with your audience without doing it manually. Just set the trigger and let Mailchimp handle the rest. The third thing is audience segmentation. Mailchimp allows you to automatically segment your contacts based on behaviors, demographics, or past purchases. This means you can target specific groups with tailored messages, making your marketing more effective and personal. With this kind of automation, you're not sending generic emails to everyone. You're reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. The fourth thing that'll really take your marketing to the next level is Mailchimp's ability to automate your social media posts. You can schedule posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter directly from Mailchimp. Not only does this save you time, but you can plan your content in advance and ensure consistency across your social media marketing efforts. Next, let's talk about reports and analytics. With Mailchimp, automation goes beyond just sending emails. You can automatically generate detailed reports that show you how well your campaigns are performing. This way, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your future campaigns and improve engagement. It's like having a marketing team working for you 24/7. Finally, one of the best things about Mailchimp is how it integrates with other tools. Whether you're running an e-commerce store on Shopify or using a CRM, Mailchimp connects seamlessly with other platforms to pull in data that enhances your automation process. This means no more manual entry or juggling multiple tools. So there you have it. Automating your marketing with Mailchimp can save you time, increase engagement, and grow your business more effectively. Don't forget, you can use Mailchimp for free with the link below, and I've also got an exclusive extended free trial just for you, which means even more features at no cost. Now that you know the basics of how to automate your marketing with Mailchimp, go ahead and start using these tips today. Check out the link below to get your free trial and unlock the full potential of Mailchimp.